Every single day, every 24 hours, the world generates 2.5 quintillion bytes of data. That is a number so large, it does not even make sense to say out loud. Your bank transaction this morning. The Google search you did last night is data. The fuel price that changed this week is data. The hospital records at LUTH is data. The quarterly results at Dangote Group is what we call data. The election results across all 36 states is called data. The entire world is running on data. But here is the problem, and this is where the opportunity lives. Most of that data is sitting somewhere, ignored, unused, misunderstood, because there are not enough people who know how to read it. That gap between the data that exists and the people who can understand it, that is where your career is waiting. My name is Williams, and I am a data analysis instructor here in Miramar Institute. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why data analysis is the most valuable skill you can have right now, and why this course will change your career. Let us go. Let me show you something live right now. And I will take you to trends.google.com. So when you open this, come to trending now. Now, this is something that is live right now, today, 31st of May. This is Google Trends. And this is what Nigerians and people around the world are searching for today. Look at this here. What can you see? Arsenal versus PSG. What can you see under search volume? 500,000 searches, up to 1,000% in 12 hours. If you look down again, you find iPhone 18 Pro trending globally. If you go down, you'll see Jamaica versus Nigeria, Andoni, Nigerian Education Loan Fund, trending right now. Now, every single person in Nigeria can open this page and see exactly what I am saying. But let me show you the difference between a regular person and a data analyst. A regular person looks at this and says, oh, interesting. Arsenal or PSG won. Of course, you can see a trend breakdown here. But a data analyst will look at, let's say, the Nigerian Education Fund, Loan Fund, and get to see that it's trending at 2,000 searches. And then ask, which state are searching the most. And as a matter of fact, you can also get to scroll down and you see, including this one, which is the CBN geofence extension. So a data analyst looks at this CBN POS geofence extension trending at 5,000 searches and asks which states are searching this most. Are POS agents panicking or they adapting? What does this mean for fintech startups? What does this mean for mobile money operators? And the 40 million Nigerians who depend on POS for daily transactions. A data analyst looks at Nigerian education loan fund. Yeah. And can see that it's trending. And a government ministry, a bank, or an edtech company hires that analyst to answer who is searching for this. Where are they? What do they need? How do we reach them? Same data. Everybody sees it, but only the analyst knows what it means. And companies pay serious money for that answer. So, what is data analysis? Here is my definition, and I want you to write it down. Data analysis is the skill of taking raw, confusing information and turning it into clear answers that help people make better decisions. That is it. Raw information in, clear decisions out. And those decisions are worth millions, sometimes billions. Let me give you 3 real examples from companies you know. Number 1 is the company called Netflix. Now, Netflix as a company has 260 million subscribers worldwide. They discovered through data that if you open Netflix and do not find something to watch within 90 seconds, you cancel your subscription. 90 seconds, that is all. So they built their entire recommendation engine around that one data insight. And that engine powered by data analysis saves Netflix $1 billion every year in lost subscriptions. One insight, $1 billion. The second organization I'm going to share with you is Access Bank. I'm sharing this because Access Bank is actually my first bank. Now, Access Bank is one of Nigeria's biggest banks. And as one of Nigeria's biggest banks, Access Bank uses transaction data to detect fraud in real time. Every time your card is swiped in an unusual location at an unusual time for an unusual amount, a data model flags it before the money leaves your account. Take, for example, maybe you bank with UBA, you bank with Fidelity, you bank with Zenith Bank, you bank with First Bank, you bank with GT Bank around 3 a.m. An unusual time, an unusual amount was withdrawn. Every time such occurs, the banks makes use of a data model that flags it before the money leaves your account. That is data analysis protecting your money right here in Nigeria right now. Number 3, organization. And this one is for the small business owners who are watching this video. Jumia. Now, Jumia is made up of different vendors, different traders. A trader on Jumia selling electronics noticed that her phone case sales dropped every February and spiked every November. She did not know why. A data analyst looked at her sales history, matched it with Google search trends and public holiday data, and told her people buy phone cases as Christmas gifts. Stock up in October. Run your discounts in November. You will double your revenue. She did. She doubled her revenue. No supercomputer, no PhD, just data read correctly. And guess who that data analyst was? Myself. And today that trader is not only happy, but is grateful that she came across a data analyst who understood data. And this is why I built this course, because data analysis is not just for Silicon Valley. It is not just for Americans with computer science degrees. It is for the accountants in Abuja who wants to give better financial reports. It is for the nurse in Ibadan who wants to understand patient trends in her ward. It is for the entrepreneur in Lagos who wants to know which product to stock and which to drop. It is for the fresh graduate who wants a skill that gets them hired fast. Data analysis is for the teacher, the marketer, the civil servant, the supply chain officer, the HRO manager, because data is everywhere and everyone needs someone who can read it. This course was built for you. In the Complete Data Analyst Bootcamp at Miramar Institute, you will master 5 tools that are used inside the best companies in the world right now. The first is Microsoft Excel, which is the foundation of every analyst toolkit. The second is SQL, which is the language you use to talk to databases and pull any data you need. The third is Power BI, Microsoft's most powerful dashboard and reporting tool. The fourth is Tableau, the gold standard for data visualization worldwide. The fifth is Python, the programming language that takes your analysis to the next level. Every lesson here is practical. Every lesson comes with a real data set, real numbers, real scenarios, real business problems. No theory dumped on you with nothing to do. We learn by doing. And at the end, you get assessed, you get certified by Miramar Institute, and you walk away with a credential you can put on your CV, your LinkedIn, your portfolio. That shows the world you are a trained, qualified data analyst. I want to leave you with this. 10 years ago, you needed connections to get a good job. 5 years ago, you needed a good degree. Today, what the market rewards is skill, demonstrable, practical, proven skill. Data analysis is one of the top 5 most in-demand skills on the planet right now. And the beautiful thing is, it is learnable by anyone. at any age, from anywhere. You do not need to be a maths genius. You do not need a programming background. You just need to be willing to learn. And if you are watching this video, you already are. My name is Williams. This is Miramar Institute, and I will see you in the next lesson. Now, to enroll in the full bootcamp, click the link below. Send us a message. Your first step toward becoming a certified data analyst starts today. We also have the courses available in a full pack. So in case you are someone who is busy and do not have time to attend classes, you can as well purchase the full course. At your own convenient time, you practice, you take our assessment, and you get your globally recognized CPD certified certificate from our school. I will see you in the next lesson.